So I've got a project coming up that requires me to work on some metal. So I figured I'd break out the 4.5-inch Drill Master angle grinder from Harbor Freight, 120 volt. Let's dive in. Comes with directions, that's a good thing. Comes with the grinder, a tool, and a grip. The grip will go on either side. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put it on the left. It comes with extra brushes, so it's not brushless. I figure for the price it's not going to be brushless. Here's the tool for loosening the chuck. To press the button in the back and turn it till it locks, and then turn it counterclockwise. The cutoff wheel is not included. You have to buy that separately. We bought a pack of 5. Once again, press the button, locks it in place. Use the key, tighten down the chuck. All right, let's test it. Take it from me, whenever you're using a grinding wheel, always use eye protection. There's your F24. The Drill Master 4.5-inch angle grinder. Not a bad tool for the money, but if you're going to be using it every day, I'd say you save up for a higher end product. But if you're looking for an angle grinder for a project every once in a while, not a bad tool for the price. Thanks for watching. For more important tool tips, click the image on your screen now.